Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're exploring an exciting topic, the potential benefits of cranberries for maintaining optimal kidney health. Yes, those delightful red berries that grace our tables during the holiday season may offer more than just a burst of flavor. Let's delve into the details. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a prevalent condition worldwide, characterized by the gradual loss of kidney function. While factors like high blood pressure and diabetes are known risks, diet also plays a crucial role in kidney health. Enter cranberries, those vibrant fruits brimming with antioxidants and vitamin C, not to mention their low potassium content, making them ideal for kidney health. What's more, cranberries are renowned for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections by hindering bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, benefiting kidney function. Research also indicates cranberries may help reduce inflammation and manage blood pressure, both vital in staving off CKD. Now, incorporating cranberries into your diet is simple and tasty. Add fresh cranberries to smoothies or salads for a healthful twist. Opt for unsweetened cranberry juice, ensuring it's free from added sugars, or snack on dried cranberries, keeping an eye on sugar content. However, it's essential to remember that cranberries aren't a cure-all for kidney health or a replacement for medical treatment if you're dealing with CKD. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have kidney-related dietary restrictions. In summary, cranberries can be a beneficial addition to your diet for those focused on kidney health, but balance is key. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and adherence to medical advice are paramount for maintaining kidney function. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.